Good morning students. We are learning Indian geography in simple and shortcut way. Today we are learning international border lines between India and its neighbor countries. International border lines between India and its neighbor countries. Among them, first we will see between India and Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka. As you know, Sri Lanka is present south side of India. Between India and Sri Lanka, there you can observe four features. Four features. First one is Pak Strait. Pak Strait. Second one is Bay of Pak. Third one is Adams Bridge. Fourth one is Gulf of Mannar. First we will see Pak Strait. Pak Strait. It is a narrow and shallow sea. It is a narrow and shallow sea present between Point Kodikiram in Tamil Nadu to Piedmont in Sri Lanka. Pak Strait is present between Point Kodikiram, which is present in Tamil Nadu, from there to Piedmont present in the Sri Lanka. Coming to the second one, Bay of Pak, situated between India and Sri Lanka. Coming to third one, important feature between India and Sri Lanka is Adams Bridge. Adams Bridge. That is also called Ramasetu Marg. Ramasetu Marg. In Puranas, Sri Rama and Hanuma built Adams Bridge. This Adams Bridge is present between Dhanushkoti, Tamil Nadu to Talai Mannar in Sri Lanka. Adams Bridge is located by satellite. So it is present between Dhanushkoti to Talai Mannar. Its length is 32 kilometers. 32 kilometers. One more time, the Adams Bridge, also called as Ramasetu Marg, it is present between Dhanushkoti to Talai Mannar. Its length is 32 kilometers. One more important feature is Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar also located between India and Sri Lanka. It is situated between Nagarkoil to Talai Mannar. Nagarkoil present in Tamil Nadu. So it is Nagarkoil to Talai Mannar. Talai Mannar is situated in Sri Lanka. One more time, between India and Sri Lanka there is Pak Strait, Bay of Pak, Adams Bridge and Gulf of Mannar. Now, border lines between India and China. Between India and China, there are two border lines present. One is LOAC, another one is McMahon line. LOAC indicates line of actual control. LOAC means line of actual control. Along with western sector of India, it is present in the western sector of India with China. Western sector of India with China. So remember, LOAC is a line of actual control. It is present along with western sector of India. One more line is McMahon line, which is very important line. McMahon line, it is present along with the eastern sector with China. Eastern sector with China at Arunachal Pradesh. At Arunachal Pradesh. So McMahon line drawn in 1914. 1914. It was determined by McMahon of Britain. So Britain person McMahon determined this McMahon line. It is 700 miles in length. So McMahon line is 700 miles in length. Once again, at the western side of India, so with China we have LOAC line. At eastern side of China we have McMahon line. Coming to next area, the border lines between India and Bangladesh. Between India and Bangladesh, there are Newmore Islands are present. Newmore Islands. Between India and Bangladesh, there are many disputes are occurring nowadays. After the formation of Bangladesh, between the borders, between the India and Bangladesh borders, we have the following disputes. On these disputes, number of questions are coming in various examinations like UPSC, APPSC, Railway, Army, Navy. What are the disputes? You can see here there are 4 major disputes present between India and Bangladesh. One of the major dispute is Teesta River water disputes. Teesta River water dispute. For the water of Teesta, both India and Bangladesh are making disputes. Next, Teen Bhiga corridor dispute. Between India and Bangladesh, there is a place called Teen Bhiga corridor. For that also, we are fighting. One more dispute is Chekma and Rohingya refugees. Most of the Chekma and Rohingya people are coming from Bangladesh to Assam and other states of India. That is also one of the major dispute. Coming to final dispute is Mata Banga River dispute. Mata Banga River is the tributary river of Padma River. Generally in Ganga River, while after entering into the Bangladesh, it is called Padma River. It is called Padma River. The tributary of Padma River is Mata Banga River. For the water sake between Bangladesh, Teesta River water and Mata Banga River water, we have disputes between India and Bangladesh. The places are Teen Bhiga corridor place, we have dispute. So the people who are coming from Bangladesh to India are Chekmas and Rohingyas. So these 4 are the major disputes between India and Bangladesh. So by these, many of the questions are coming in various competitive examinations. Coming to next, the borderline between India and Afghanistan. Between India and Afghanistan, there is Durand line is present. Durand line. It was drawn in 1896. It was determined by Sir Durand of Britain. But Afghanistan does not recognize it as a international frontier. So we have recognized the Durand line between India and Afghanistan, but Afghanistan does not recognize it as a international border. So Durand line also one of the controversial line between India and Afghanistan. We recognized, but Afghanistan does not recognize the Durand line. Now next topic is the border lines between India and Pakistan. Important lines are situated between India and Pakistan. Among them, the major lines are Radcliffe Line, International Border Line, LOC, AGPL and 24 degrees parallel line. Radcliffe Line present between India and Pakistan and India and Bangladesh also. So Radcliffe Line present between Pakistan and Bangladesh with India. It was drawn in 1947. It was determined by Sir Radcliffe on 15th August 1947. Remember, Radcliffe Line drawn in 1947 determined by Sir Radcliffe on 15th August 1947. One more line is International Border Line. International Border Line present between Sawai to Madhopur in Jammu Kashmir. Very, very important, recognize Sawai to Madhopur. What is that? International Border Line. One more line is LOC. LOC means Line of Control. Line of Control. It is also called Poonch Line or Ceasefire Line. Line of control is called as Poonch Line or Ceasefire Line. It is present between Madhopur to NJ 9842. Recognize here Madhopur to NJ 9842. International border line is Sawai to Madhopur. Sawai to Madhopur. LOC is Madhopur to NJ 9842. One more line is AGPL, actual ground position line. Actual ground position line. It is present between NJ 9842 to Indira Kal, which is the northernmost end point of India. Once again see, international border line is present between Savai to Madhopur. LOC line present between Madhopur to NJ 9842. AGPL line is present between NJ 9842 to Indira Kal. So the main important border lines are IBL, LOC and AGPL. IBL is between Savai to Madhopur, LOC is between Madhopur to NJ 9842, AGPL is between NJ 9842 to Indira Kal. Indira Kal is the northernmost end point of India. One more important line is 24 degrees parallel line. One more important line is 24 degrees parallel line between India and Pakistan. In మన వాయిస్ వస్తుంది సార్ చాలు. Okay, one more important line is 24 degrees parallel line. 24 degrees parallel line. It is present in Gujarat between India and Pakistan. One more important line is 24 degrees parallel line. It is present between India and Pakistan in Gujarat. Pakistan recognized this line, but India does not recognize this 24 degrees parallel line. India recognized lines are Radcliffe International Border Line, LOC, AGPL, but India does not recognize 24 degrees parallel line. Our next topic is controversial areas between India and Pakistan. What are the controversial areas between India and Pakistan? So there are majorly three controversial areas in the border. Those are Sir Creek area, Siachen Glacier and Pak occupied Kashmir dispute, and one more is Kishan Ganga project. The first dispute is Sir Creek area, which is present in Gujarat. So Sir Creek area is present between Karachi to Rann of Kutch. Karachi present in Pakistan, Rann of Kutch is present in Gujarat. So remember Sir Creek area in Gujarat. So it is present between Karachi to Rann of Kutch. It is one of the more controversial area between India and Pakistan. The next one is Siachen Glacier, which is the highest war field in the world. And one more is Pak dispute, that means Pak occupied Kashmir dispute. Next one is Kishan Ganga project. It is the hydroelectricity project between India and Pakistan border. So it is also one of the major controversial project. So one more time, between India and Pakistan, Sir Creek area, Siachen Glacier and POK disputes and Kishan Ganga project are controversial areas. Our next topic is controversial areas between India and Bangladesh. The various controversies present between India and Bangladesh. The major important controversies are the river controversy with Mata Banga river. Mata Banga river is the tributary river of Padma river. This Padma river is the Ganga river in Bangladesh. Ganga river is called as Padma river in Bangladesh. The next one is project. So Tipaimukh project. Tipaimukh project is a controversial project between India and Bangladesh. Next, coming to controversial islands. Numur Islands are the controversial islands between India and Bangladesh. Next, coming to controversial areas, Teen Biga and Siliguri corridor. Teen Biga and Siliguri corridor are the controversial. One more time listen, the controversial areas between India and Bangladesh are river controversy with Mata Banga, project controversy with Tipaimukh project, islands controversy with Numur Islands, area wise controversy with Teen Biga and Siliguri corridor. Thank you. Dear students, మా క్లాసులు మీరు చూస్తున్నారు. మీకేవైనా సందేహాలు వస్తే, మీకు ఏ ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ల పైన క్లాసెస్ కావాలో కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరియు మా క్లాసెస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, మీకు ఏ విధమైనటువంటి క్లాసెస్ కావాలి, ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలోనా తెలుగు మీడియంలో ఏ ఏరియాస్లో మీకు క్లాసెస్ కావాలనేటటువంటిది ఒకసారి కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరియు మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ SVBCC నంద్యాల్, ఒకసారి చూడండి, SVBCC నంద్యాల్ ఛానల్ని అందరూ తప్పనిసరిగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉండే బెల్ బటన్ను క్లిక్ చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. మరి మా వీడియోస్ని లైక్ చేయాలని కూడా తప్పనిసరిగా తెలియజేస్తున్నాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ.